Alright, so today we're going to be learning about telling time and time word problems. So first off, we're going to start with how to write the time on the clock and on a digital clock. So can you tell me what one of your favorite movies is?
My favorite movie is probably The Incredibles.
Okay, so The Incredibles is airing at 5:30 tonight, 5:30 p.m. Can you write what 5:30 p.m. would look like on the clock? What hand is the long hand?
The minute.
The minutes. And then what hand is the short hand?
The hour.
The hour. So can you show me what 5:30 would look like? Good job. And then what would 5:30 look like on a digital clock if you were looking at it on your microwave or your stove? Beautiful. Good job. So you know when the clock hits 5:30, we need to go to the movies. To erase this. Okay, so today we're going to be working with word problems and how to solve them because word problems can kind of be confusing. So I'm going to teach you two different ways on how to solve word problems. So the first one is going to be what time is 3 hours after 6:30? So 3 hours after 6:30. So for this, we're going to do an addition way. So we're going to look at it like 6:30 plus, because we're after would be adding more hours. So 6:30 plus 3 because we're going ahead or after 3 hours. So for this, we're going to add, and we're just going to go down like this. So what's 0 plus 0?
0.
0. And then what's 3 plus 0?
3.
3. Do our little dots. And then what's 6 plus 3?
9.
9. 9. Okay, so our time, 3 hours after 6:30 would be what time?
9:30.
Great job. Okay, so now that we got that one under control, now we're going to do the next way to solve that. So this next word problem is going to be Sarah started her homework at 7:30. So we're going to write down 7:30 because that's a prime number. And then she needs to be in bed by 8:30. So write down 8:30. How much time does she have to do her homework? So this way we're going to do on a number line. So what we're first going to do is draw a number line. And we're going to start off, so our first number is 7:30, but we're going to start with 7. And then we would go from what's halfway through 7:30, or from 7 to 7:30. 7:30, sorry, that was confusing. 7:30. What's 30 minutes after 7:30?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. What's 30 minutes after 8 o'clock?
8:30.
8:30. And then what's 30 minutes after 8:30?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So for this one, we're going to use a number line to tell us how much time she has to do her homework. So we would start at 7:30 and we would move all the way to 8:30. And we have increments of 30 minutes because we did 30 minutes. So we would do plus 30 right here, plus 30 right here. What's 30 plus 30? What's 30 minutes plus 30 minutes?
I think that's an hour.
An hour, because that equals 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So Sarah would have 1 hour to do her homework if she started at 7:30 and had to be in bed by 8:30. Awesome. So I just showed you two different ways to solve telling time word problems. So for this next one, we're going to be doing the addition one. So I'm going to tell you this and it's your turn to try. So it says, Lucy has a soccer game at 6 o'clock. It lasts 2 hours and 30 minutes. What time was her game over? So what time did her game start at?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. And then how long did her game last? 2 hours and 30 minutes. So, yeah, right, those are two important numbers. And so we're going to do the addition way. Do you remember how to do that?
I think so.
Okay.
Like this, Miss Hallie?
Yep. Okay, so now we add it together.
0, 3, 8. 8:30.
8:30. Great job. You're doing so good at that. Okay, so then we have her game gets done at 8:30 because it lasted 2 hours and 30 minutes. Beautiful job. We'll erase that. And now we're going to do the word problem one again. Or the number line one again. Okay, so Stacy starts the movie at 3:30. So we would write down 3:30 because that's a prime or one of our big numbers. It gets done at 5 o'clock. How long was the movie? Okay, so we're first going to draw our number line. And then what number would we start with? If she started the movie at 3:30, we would start our number line at
3.
3. Good job. And then we go up by half-hour increments. Good job. Okay, so if we're going to add half-hour increments and we want to get to 5 o'clock, can you draw a line from 3:30 to 5 o'clock? Perfect. Okay, so how much time is in between 3:30 and 4?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So write 30 minutes up there because, good job. And then how much time is between 4 and 4:30?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So then you would write another. And then how much time is in between 4:30 and 5?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So what did I say before? 30 plus 30 equals?
60, which is an hour.
Yes. So 60 minutes equals an hour. So we already know we have 1 hour. And then we just have another 30 minutes. So what would that be?
90 minutes.
90 minutes. And then how do you say that? You don't say 90 minutes. You say it
An hour and a half.
an hour and a half. Good job. So her movie lasted how long?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Good job. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and you decide what way you want to. Answer the question, either with the addition or with the number line. So we'll do. Greta started school at 7:30, and she got done at 9:30. How long was she in school? So this one isn't addition, is it? Since we're trying to figure out how much time she was in school. So what number would we start with?
9:30.
9:30. So we would start with 9:30 if you're going to do it this way. And then what number would we put down there?
7:30.
7:30. Okay, so what's 9 minus 7?
2.
2. And then 3 minus 3?
0.
0. And then 0 minus 0. So how long was Greta in school for?
2 hours.
2 hours. Good job. Okay. Now that we've gotten addition, subtraction, and the number line, what one do you think was the easiest for you?
Addition.
Addition? Yeah, me too. I kind of like that one too. I never learned that one when I was in school.
Nope, me either.
But after doing that, do you feel more comfortable doing word problems now that you know different ways to do it?
Yes, you're the best teacher ever.
Thank you. Okay, so I think that you know a lot about